Hello friends and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. This time I'm going to be using this super cute Disney themed kit, kind of a Halloween vibe going on from the sticker patch. This shop is owned by Melissa and she is absolutely fantastic. That little character at the top right there, his name is Barry. She's got a whole bunch of like little character stickers with that character in it. So if you are loving that cute little girl, that is where you can find her. I'll leave her linked below along with the planner, which this time again I'm using my shop planner. This is the Avalon and Ninth 7x9. I use this one primarily for my shop stuff, so that is all that will be in this one. And this week there is going to be more stickers and less actual planning because we are leaving. So this is for the week of the 11th through I'm gonna wait until I put down the dot, the 17th. So this week was finishing up the TPC sale. It's going to be on Monday, and then all orders and everything have to be out the door no later than Thursday. So sale is going to end on Monday and all orders are going to hit the door by Thursday because this chickie's getting on a plane Friday. So I'm going to be heading back to Boston to visit some family. Got a bunch of family back there that's a little bit older and I really want to see them. And we had tickets to go back, I want to say last year or maybe even so when COVID first started, before it really became a thing. We had bought tickets to go back to, my uncle was having an 80th birthday party and it was going to be like a combination family reunion slash birthday party. And so we bought tickets and we were going back. Everybody from the West Coast was flying over together. And then COVID happened and they shut down travel. And so those tickets have been just sitting there waiting for us to use. And they were running out of time pretty soon. I think they gave us like a year and a half or 2 years or something like that to use the tickets. So I feel like it's been forever since this whole thing started. This is my life. Anyway, so now I'm going to use the tickets and I'm going to go visit them before anything else happens and I don't get to go back there and see them. And then I'm going to be really upset. So yeah, we leave on Friday. I get off work Friday morning. I come home, grab my bags, and hit the road, jump on a plane. So I'm going to basically sleep on a plane and in airports until I get there because we are not going to hit Boston until midnight, which that is going to make for a very long 48 hours. Yeah, because I work night shift at the hospital on Thursday and then plane doesn't hit Boston until midnight the next day. So it's going to be a very long day, but it's going to be fun because I get to see the family that I haven't seen in quite some time and I'm excited to see them. So anyway, back to the planner. I decided to do this a little bit different. So this time I wanted to do my artwork across, like all across one section of it and then use the washi on top and then do the same thing across the bottom of the other one. So you'll see me move some things around on the bottom of the other side just to kind of make everything line up a little bit better. But this kit just went down so easy, so good. Like all the boxes were perfect to do just a full spread. Melissa really knows her stuff. She does really good kits. The layout is great. The boxes are great. The paper is great. Let's see, what else can I say is great? Everything is great. I don't generally ever bash shops on my channel, so if you're looking for that, honestly, if I've used a kit in a plan with me, I video it and then I edit it later. I don't do lives using kits that I've never used before. I've never done a live anyway because I'm a big chicken butt and I won't do it. But if I don't like the kit or something's wrong with it or there's like something, it's not cut right or whatever, I just don't post that video. I never want a shop to not have the opportunity to fix something before I just throw it out there on the internet for everyone to see. And then everybody's like, oh my God, what is wrong with that shop? Why are their stickers so horrible? Because everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Foil gets miscut, things get by, and the only ones that really know that are shop owners. People who aren't shop owners don't really know what goes into making stickers and what goes into foiling and how much work goes into it and how easy it is for things to slip past you and you not see them. So I have been watching videos. I've been watching a lot of, this is me getting on my soapbox, I've been watching a lot of unboxings because when I'm doing stuff, I just like to have them on the background, and a lot of times I find shops that I've never seen before and then I want to go check them out from other people's hauls. And I see people bashing shops a lot. The foil might not be perfect. There might be like a little pixie dusting on the foil, or there might be like a little overfoiling or something like that. And people who don't have shops and don't realize how hard it is to do that if you're not a manufacturer, like for small mom and pop shops, they don't realize how hard it is to do that. And it kind of irritates me a little bit. I feel bad because I would never do that. If I had an issue with something that I got from a shop, I would contact that shop immediately and just say, hey, this didn't cut right, or hey, this doesn't look right, and give them the opportunity to fix it before I got on a public platform like YouTube or Instagram or any of those places and just bashed the shop. Now, I will bash a shop if I've asked them to fix something and they don't, or if I've tried to contact them and they don't get back to me, and then I will definitely tell you that, hey, this shop is no good. But I've never had to do that because most mom and pop shops are fantastic. This is their business, this is their life, and they want to make you happy. So please, if you're hauling other people's shops and there's something you don't like, contact them. Don't bash them. I mean, I just think it's sad. Anyway, back to the planner. I didn't mean to get on my soapbox, but I just finished watching one and I was just like, really, really. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this. It's absolutely adorable sticker patch. I will leave them linked below. It came out perfect. I love her stickers. I love her shop, and so go check her out. I will leave everything linked below, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.